here, girl. Welcome to the Glam Squad. Like and subscribe. And if you are family and a part of the Glam Squad, hey girl, hey. Welcome back to another makeup video. Please like and subscribe and let's chat in the comments. I like to use my Pond's and I like to use my Bobbi Boss. These are the two things I like to use to moisturize my skin. I'm going to use the Glamrocs flat top liner and is the Born This Way concealer and the color Toffee. What I'm using is the Morphe E63 brush. It is shaped like this. Morphe E63. When I tell you I racked up on these brushes, I love, love, love the way it curves to everyone's features on their face. The basic makeup look. So this is a beginner's look, okay? I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette, which is, y'all, it's hurt. But I am stacked with more, okay? But I'm gonna use this till it's done, baby. Definitely. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this first one right here, eyeshadow. Now this whole palette can do your all of your eyeshadow. If you are a beginner's girl, this is all that you need. This is all that you need, literally. So this is gonna be my transition color. It is called the Brightener. Girl, this is a transition. Next thing I'm gonna do is use this one. As you can see, I've hit pan on both of these and I'm about to hit pan here. So this is the bronzer. Now, because I am a dark-skinned, chocolate, beautiful woman, all I need is this bronzer. You literally don't have to use anything else. And I'm going in with this bronzer on my crease. This, and this is just a brush from Amazon. So I'm gonna pick up that bronzer, same color, and I'm putting it all over my lid. Again, this is a 2-color eyeshadow. I may use the third darker color, and that's only if I want to deepen my crease. I'm gonna show you how to do your liner. I am using the NY Epic Wear. I literally start at the top of my eyes because I can't mess up, right? So I start from the middle. Now I'm going to the front with the tip. Go like this. Now, what I'm not gonna do is start from the point of this line. I'm gonna start almost to the middle. And I go like this. And what I do is fill this in and just sharpen that. Listen, you're gonna mess up, but you're gonna get it. You have to keep trying. My Essence mascara. The reason why I love this mascara is because it's waterproof, and I also use this on my bride. I put the glue on. I let it get tacky a little bit. I place it down in the center. I bring the front down, and then I adjust the back, and then I pinch it. Now these lashes are called Miami, and they're from Stanza Beauty. She's a makeup artist in Orlando who sells these lashes. Now these are too much for me, but I have clients that would wear them. But I love these Miami ones. Primer at this time is the Milk Primer. Like, who don't know this primer? This is an oldie but a goodie. If I've been doing makeup for 9 years, I've been using this definitely like 7. Never fails me. This right here for your bride, y'all better get y'all one of these. Chicken salad. Makeup artists out there, stop forcing people to look too light for their body or too dark for their body. Mix. This is what I do for myself. This is what I do for my brides. This is what I do. I don't care what foundation it is. If you cannot find a foundation in any makeup brand that does not go with you, you have hyperpigmentation, baby, get your skin or your body, get both. Okay? So 2 pumps. And what I like to do, I like to use either my flat top brush or the back of the brush, regardless of the fact. Look at that. One.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
Now I am going to take my toffee from Too Faced, put that under my eyes right here. So you're gonna place that concealer under your eyes, under your liner, your wing liner, your chin, your nose, and also your forehead. My AJ Crimson number 7, and sometimes I use number 8 to contour. I'm gonna use, again, the same brush, the Glamrocs brush, flat top brush. Use number 8. One thing he did, honey, was give the dark skinned girls something we can use. Something we can use. From Target, I know that. And I'm just gonna blend away. Now I'm not doing Instagram model anything because I'm just taking my regular. I am just blending out that concealer. And what I meant to say about Instagram, I'm not trying to highlight under my eyes. Brush to blend out my contour. And look how I'm using the brush like this. I'm blending that into my contour, and I'm blending out the edges at the same time. I do that. Now, I don't have something smaller, so I'm gonna pinch this. I do, I just don't want to dirty it because I don't want to wash more brushes. Voila, my favorite. Now, I'm a makeup artist that's been in this industry for a long time. I'm talking about a setting powder that I use for brides. I'm talking about a setting powder that I use on set for film and makeup videos that never steer me wrong is Dermablend, baby. I'm going to put that Dermablend powder everywhere that I put concealer, under my eyes, my forehead, chin, and nose. And I am also going to take a brush and go over my eyebrows to remove the shine. A little brighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this just to give me a little brightness. And this is where I want the brightness, just right there. Let me see, whatever's left on here. It probably will take you 30 minutes. Once you get the routine, 20 minutes top. I'm going back into this palette and I'm going to use this brush. Literally, guys, I use 4 brushes, very beginner friendly. And I'm going to have my own brush set, Glamrocs, that's gonna include 7 brushes that you will all need to do your makeup. Now, I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is the bronzer, and I'm gonna bronze. Now, depending on your skin complexion, Morphe have this complexion pearl palette in I think 3 or 4 different colors. So you get whatever works for you. It's just that I'm deep and I work mostly with deep skinned brides or on set. So I have deep. The Sephora powder, Micro Soft powder, and this is number 58 in almond. And if you want to do blush, you can do blush because the girls are into blush. You have 2 blush options here. Do your blush, but I'm not into blush like that, so I'm not gonna be doing it. Yeah, we only used a few products for prepping the skin. We only use a few products for bra, and we only use 4 brushes for the whole face. If you have your main things that you need, which that will be a separate video, I am going to go through everything that you may need. I am here for the dark skin beauties who don't know how to do a simple look. This is a simple look using 1 palette that we use for our eyes, 1 palette we use for contouring, and everything. Now, I'm just taking this brush and going all over my face to make sure that the setting powder is all in. And then I'm going to do my lips, and literally, we're done. I have my own Glamrocs lip product. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I have names, but I'm not gonna release the names yet, just in case I decide to change the name before I release them sometime in February. I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss in Sugar High. But this don't even need no lip gloss. Let's be honest. And just like that, this is your beginner using a few products look.